BMW R12 nineT boxer engine. You can see that thing sticking out the side there. Beautiful paint job with the gold forks. Very low bike. Extremely comfortable. Get on. Oh, the thing just shakes when it starts up with that boxer. It just shakes just sitting here. This thing is badass. It's got road mode, dynamic, and rain mode. We'll start off in rain. I love the analog gauges. That is my absolute jam. Ooh, this thing sounds cool taking off. Ooh, I like the boxer. I like it. Very comfortable seating position on this thing. Slight bit more aggressive than the R12, but it's not. I mean, it's really not aggressive. It's just got kind of lower handlebars. Got some nice mid controls. Get your legs tucked up nicely. Be hugging the gas tank. When your legs down, you got to be kind of careful because you might end up touching that engine if you got longer legs like me. But it's not hard to stay clear of that. Adjustable front suspension. Dude, I mean, this is badass. The way it's just shaking, I mean, sounds pretty sick too. Watch out for traffic. We good to go. Got the quick shifter on this bad boy. I need to adjust I think that left side mirror a little bit maybe. This thing is cool, man. Very comfortable bike. Ooh, look at the Chevelle. Oh yeah, that sounds sick. It's pretty quiet at the moment, so I don't think my camera is really gonna, or my mic is really gonna pick much of that up, but man, this thing sounds badass. I hope it at least picks up some of what that boxer is putting out, because that thing sounds nasty. But very comfortable bike. The mirrors are kind of in a little close for me, I think. They might just need a little bit of an adjustment. I'll mess with them in a little bit here. I could put the cruise control on for a second. I don't really want to mess with that. Let me see. Okay, now that one is good. But he's got his feet up chilling. Oh yeah, she's got plenty of power. I think this thing has between 105 and 110 horsepower. I don't remember if it was 107, 108, something like that, but good amount of power and a good amount of torque too. I don't remember exactly how much torque, but this boxer is definitely going to get the job done. It's in rain mode now. And as you can see, she gets going. The throttle is not too aggressive in rain mode though. It feels good. Oh yeah, this thing sounds nasty. And you gotta love that quick shifter. Ooh, leans over beautifully. Oh my, I might need me one of these. Ooh, wee. I don't believe I rode any of the BMW Boxers last year at this event, but yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. Very, very good, my friend. Very, very good. Oh yes, oh yes. R12 nineT. As you can see, you can kind of just toss it around real easy. She's nimble. Bike weighs about 500 pounds, I believe, maybe a little bit less. I know the R12, the kind of more cruiserish version of this, weighs exactly 500 pounds wet, according to BMW. Oh, you got to give that quick shifter a little bit of beans to get it down in first. I just put it in neutral by accident, but it still revved it when I was going into neutral, which is kind of cool. Switch up that mode real quick. Go ahead, big dog. Oh, yeah. Yeah, she moves out. Yeah, you got to be getting on it for the quick shifter to be a little smoother. If you're not really on the throttle, you can definitely feel it jerk the bike, maybe even more on this boxer than on the 900 that I rode. But it definitely gets the job done. But it's, oh man, it's beautiful out here today. I'm so glad that the rain gave us a break for today. God knew we were trying to ride today. Gave us a nice clear day. It was raining yesterday. It's going to be raining again tomorrow. It's just not what you want when you're trying to ride some motorcycles. Oh yeah, that thing pulls. Got her in road mode, just a little more aggressive now. And that throttle is sensitive. I mean, not quite as sensitive as it would be in dynamic mode, of course, but I mean, as soon as it gets to that point where it's doing its job, it's ready to go. Yeah, this thing sounds sick, man. I absolutely love the old school kind of styling with the analog gauges. You got your tach and speedo, both analog. You can see your mode there on the right side. Hit the menu button over here. You can change what you got on the left side. Temperature, time, all kinds of good stuff. You can go into the settings menu from there. Put it on miles per gallon. 37.4 miles per gallon. But yeah, you got your mode and your gear on the right side. I mean, all the information you need right there. I love a good, pretty TFT like BMW has on some of their bikes, but nothing beats analog tack and speedo for me personally. Oh, this is a nice road right here. This bike is comfy though. I mean, it kind of feels like a more comfy naked bike, which I mean, it sort of is kind of like a retro naked bike if I had to guess. I don't know if that's exactly what they're going for, but you know, it's kind of like a retro sporty type of style bike. It feels good. If y'all know me, you know I'm all about my comfort when it comes to a motorcycle. I love being comfy, and this thing definitely gets the job done in that department. Get caught up a little bit here, then turn that thing down a little bit. That's a little better. Now I can see what's behind me. Gotta get better about using my rear brake a little bit. A lot of times I just want to use the front brake because it takes a little extra something to use the rear brake. I gotta kind of bend my foot up or bend my leg a little bit. I mean, I'm not even getting it to the top of the rev range. This thing revs out to about 9,000. 8,500 is the red line, it looks like. Oh my goodness, look at this bad boy right here. Ooh-wee, got the big blower on that bitch. You gotta absolutely love a good quick shifter. I mean, that's just beautiful. This bike feels good, man. Handles nicely. I would maybe argue that it feels a little better in the handling department than the F900R I rode, which is crazy. I mean, this is a sporty kind of retro bike, but kind of crazy. I would have expected this bike to not handle as well, just kind of looking at them side by side. But this thing feels phenomenal getting leaned over. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and make an early prediction here. If I do get to ride more bikes, this is probably going to be my favorite one of the day, if not the weekend. If we get to come back tomorrow, it's supposed to rain tomorrow, so if it clears up, we'll come on up. Maybe we'll just ride up here and see what happens, and hopefully get to ride some more tomorrow. Let's throw her in dynamic mode real quick. Yeah, oh yeah, that throttle is extra sensitive in dynamic mode. Yeah, I almost like road mode a little more. Maybe it's just because I grip the throttle a little bit too tight, but I mean, it moves the slightest bit and the bike wants to go. But when you're just kind of rolling off the throttle and then you accidentally fall back a little bit, that thing just automatically wants to take off on you. Suspension on this thing, I can tell you right now, it does its thing in the turns. I'm gonna put it back in road mode. The dynamic is just a little aggressive. Even in road mode, you accidentally touch the throttle, and I mean, it's just moving. Rain mode, honestly, I think it's done so beautifully on these bikes because you still get plenty of power. It just makes the throttle a little less aggressive. So it's almost the perfect mode for just kind of riding around town and stuff like we're doing right now. Oh, that's absolutely crazy work out of you, Cisco. That is disgusting work. There's just no need to do us like that. Yeah. Look how easy you can just toss this thing around. Get a little speed into that corner. Yeah, that leans over nicely. Yeah, it feels a little bit more stable. I think it was that corner right there that I went through on the F900, the F900R last time out. Where it felt like the suspension was just kind of bouncing a little bit more, but this bike felt smooth and stable through that. Beautifully done suspension on this bike. It leans over just exactly as you need it to. Just a little bit of pressure on them handlebars. You can toss her side to side. I'm gonna go ahead and probably say this is top 5 bikes that I've ridden out of the I think nearly 30 bikes that I've ridden so far over the last couple years. Maybe top 3. We'll have to think about that and evaluate it a little bit, but man, this thing is sick. I love a bike that you can just cruise comfortably on, but has those sporty vibes as well. And obviously, you know, it doesn't hurt when it looks good doing it. This thing is sexy. Oh yeah, that front brake bites. I gotta start using that rear brake a little more. There goes that Chevelle again. That thing is pretty. Yeah, when you're just kind of cruising like this, the fully manual shifting with the clutch operation, no quick shifter, that's definitely where it's at. Nice clunk into gear out of this thing, very positive. You know you're going into gear. You can feel it and hear it. So the Boxer engine is maybe slightly vibey. I mean, you're gonna get that impression as soon as you start it up. It starts to shake the whole bike, and it just shakes when it's at idle. But it's sick, man. I absolutely love that. You know what I mean? Like cruising around like this, you're not really feeling any crazy vibrations. You can just you can feel the Boxer buzzing below you, which I'm not mad about. Thing's got a pretty cool exhaust note. This would be a cool one to do a pure sound kind of ride with a nice set of pipes on it. Sounds absolutely nasty, man. Definitely a fan of the Boxer engine in the BMW. Not a lot of motorcycles come with a Boxer engine. I don't know who does them except for BMW, if anyone. I'm sure there's another company out there that I'm just not able to think of right now that does Boxer engines. Nice and easy to put in neutral. We like that. Yeah, she sounds cool. Look at her just shaking. This thing is sick. So she feels a little bit stiff going over bumps, but I mean, it's supposed to be a little bit more of a sporty experience on this bike, so it kind of makes sense. Just noticed I haven't really gotten to rev this thing out too much on this ride. One thing on this route we're on versus last year, we're not getting to rev these bad boys out quite as much. Yeah, I mean, it's just got a little bit more power than you're going to be able to use on this kind of ride. Got it to like 6,000 RPM right there. I mean, she was pulling. This Boxer's definitely got power all the way through the rev range, which you love to see. But man, when you start to wind that thing up from those low RPMs, that shit sounds nasty. I like it a lot, my friend. We're not supposed to slingshot on this ride, but I want to drop back a little bit just so I can kind of get this thing revved up a little something, something. Yeah, I need y'all to hear that, experience that. There's a good downshift. Haven't been revving it up enough when I've been downshifting without the quick shifter. I mean, this thing just sounds pissed off. We absolutely love that. He's popping and bagging a little on the D-cell. Gotta absolutely love that. This thing is sick. That's it for the R12 nineT, man. That's a badass bike. I like that a lot. Very good. Nice Brembo brakes up front. Continental tires, hell yeah. That thing is sick. Easily one of my favorite bikes I've ridden. Yeah, definitely try that one out if you get a chance. That's a cool bike. I appreciate y'all watching that though, man. Check out all these bikes here, man. I'm gonna go see if I can get signed up for another one or if they're gonna tell me to F off. Catch y'all in the next one. Appreciate you watching.